Welcome to registration night. If you are interested in taking AP Statistics next year, you may find some information in this video quite useful. First of all, in order to qualify to take AP Statistics, you need to have taken one of our upper level math classes. Those include Pre-Calculus with a grade of B+ or better, Calc Concepts, the 3-term Calculus AB course, Calculus AB, Calculus BC, or differential equations in linear algebra. Again, if you've taken any of these and you're looking for another math class to take, AP Stats may be just what you're looking for. The purpose of AP Stats is to introduce students to the major concepts and tools for collecting, analyzing, and drawing conclusions from data. The 4 main topics include exploring data, planning a study, anticipating patterns, and statistical inference. The grading is a little bit different than some of the previous math classes. The formative category is a 0% grade. That includes your homework, your quizzes, and any team tests that we take. The summative includes chapter tests. Each chapter, you'll be giving a test that's made up of an FRQ portion and a multiple choice portion. If you are taking stats in the fall, there will be 6 chapters covered in term 1 and 6 chapters covered in term 2. If you're taking AP Stats in the spring, we will be covering about 8 chapters in term 1 and 4 or 4+ chapters in term 2, or the second term. The reason for that is the AP Stats exam is usually given the first week or 2 of May. Therefore, we do have to condense some of the material and cover some of it a little bit quicker than we would in the fall. If you have any questions, please contact one of the 4 AP Stats teachers. Those teachers are Lee Barnett, Alan Christofferson, Cody DeBoer, and Sean Egan. Hopefully you found some useful information in this video, and we look forward to seeing you in an AP Stats class next fall.